Hello and welcome to Basic Crypto Learning, your trusted guide in the cryptocurrency world. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey, purchasing your first cryptocurrency. Whether you're interested in Bitcoin, Ethereum, or exploring ETFs that track crypto assets, we've got you covered. Let's demystify the process and make your entry into crypto as smooth as possible. First off, let's talk about how you can invest in cryptocurrencies. There are two main routes: buying directly on an exchange or investing in a cryptocurrency ETF. Buying directly gives you ownership of the actual cryptocurrency, while ETFs allow you to invest in crypto assets without owning them directly, offering a way to invest through traditional stock markets. Let's dive into the direct purchase method. The first step is to sign up for a cryptocurrency exchange. Think of exchanges like digital marketplaces. You'll need to choose one that's reputable and user-friendly. During sign-up, you'll go through a verification process to ensure your account's security. It's similar to setting up an online banking account, with added layers of security. Once you're set up, it's time to fund your account. You can typically do this through a bank transfer or by using a debit or credit card. Think of this as depositing money into a digital wallet, from which you can start buying cryptocurrencies. Now, for the exciting part, placing your first buy order. You'll select the cryptocurrency you want to buy and enter the amount you wish to purchase. You can place a market order to buy at the current price or a limit order to buy at a specific price. Selling works the same way, allowing you to secure profits or minimize losses. After buying your cryptocurrency, you might choose to keep it on the exchange or withdraw it to a private wallet for added security. Withdrawing means transferring your digital assets to a personal, encrypted wallet, which can be software-based or a physical hardware wallet. For those interested in cryptocurrency ETFs, the process is simpler. You'll purchase ETF shares through a brokerage account, just like you would with any other stock. This method allows you to invest in cryptocurrencies without dealing with the complexities of exchanges and wallets. Congratulations! You're now equipped with the knowledge to make your first cryptocurrency purchase. Remember, the world of crypto is vast and constantly evolving, so continue learning and stay informed. If you found this guide helpful and you're eager to dive even deeper into the world of cryptocurrency, we've got something special for you. Visit Basic Crypto Learning and consider joining our premium membership community. As a premium member, you'll gain access to exclusive content, advanced guides, personal support, and a vibrant community of like-minded individuals all committed to navigating the crypto space together. So, don't stop here. Take the next step in your crypto journey by checking out our premium offerings. Like, share, and subscribe to Basic Crypto Learning for more straightforward crypto guides and tips. And don't hesitate to drop your questions or experiences in the comments below. We're here to support you every step of the way.